Welcome to all. This is our live trade. We are updated in Google Meet. Rest 36 2021. So this is lively. We updated to all members. So let us see. So as of now 9:20 trade is started. Now four trades were took. Right now it's a profit is running 1035. Friends, you look now. You see morning it went around 1500 800 last. Now again it back to it's a profit. So today market seems to be range bound. So only limited stocks are taken as of now. Total we see seven trades only taken as of now. So out of that, five trades are finished. Still another three trades are there. So let us see. Now friends, look slowly it's increasing. Now 2700 around profit is running. So we are updating this in a live. So everybody get more confident about my system. So we are waiting for 5555. So it is just scanning NAMI broker. The orders are punching here. So as of now it is under, still it is a demo. Live trade we start shown. Okay. Now look friends. Now profit is in, now time is around 10:46. So profit is running 4500 now. Look the time after finishing the trade. I will show you. Yet when trade is created, time is there. When trade is completed, time is there. So everything is there. You just check the script. You can backtest it whether it is right or wrong. Whatever your doubts, you can clarify it. So as of now, we are in profit running 5000. Now look, 5200 is profit is running. Let us see. 5555 is our target. Once reach the target, the trade will finish. Now 5200 almost reached. Another 300 rupees. Now look, profit is running again 5200, 330. Another 200 rupees enough to quit our trade. So let us watch closely. So today as of now we took 12 trades. Out of 12 trades we are almost reached our 5555 benchmark. Okay, 5365. So another 200 rupees. Right. So 5389, 5426, another 100 rupees, just 100 rupees is needed. So see how confident we are moving this. Everybody know that. So 5000 almost reach, another 100 points, just 100 not less than 100 points only needed. So once this finish this trade, I will show you what the time is took order, and the same time chart everything I will show you. So then you will get a confidence because what our MCL software is showing, how the system is taken that order. So you will get a perfect confident about my MCL software. Okay, now watch. We are waiting for 5555. So market trading somewhat bullishness. So our profit now running 5000 above only. So 5555 we are expecting, but it reached 5492. So 60 rupees, still it is not hit. Now 5300. Let us hopefully wait because we fixed some target. If you want we can quit right now also, because as of now 12 trade only taken. So brokerage is less. but we will wait. We have a time. Right now time is around 11 o'clock, 10:58. So still we have a time. So hopefully we'll wait to reach our 5555 target. So still now 5300, 200. So we're waiting for that 200 rupees. Uh, but we should wait for that 5394. Once finish the trade, we will show you any one script out of this, how my MCL software is hit that level, what time it took, everything I will show you. So right now it is another 150 rupees is needed, 5399, 5430, just 100 rupees. Now look, time 1140, it reached 5492. Now again it get back to 3200 range. Still we are waiting for our target. Now friends, time 12:10, 4200, 300 rate now trading. So we are waiting for the target. I will update you time by time. Friends, now time 12:30. Now profit is running again 4500 range. So this time, if it cross 5000, we will quit our trade, and I will tell you the status. Okay. So we are waiting for 5000 above. Once it reach that, we will manually. If you close this, all orders will close. Okay. So I will update that. Once reach the 5000 mark, again I will show you. Now friends, we look 4500 is there. Now we are going to modify our profit taking at 5000. 5555 modified to 5000 because time is running more than 12:30. So once it reach now 5000, all orders will close. Okay. We don't want to close anything in manually. So once it reach 5000 mark, it will close automatically. Okay. Now look, 4005 So 5000 reached means all order will cut. 4978, 948, 969, again as 741, 862. So we are almost edge of the lucky. So again it missed around 20 to 30 rupees. Now 4553, again 451, 851. So we are almost edge. Again and again we are missing the, we don't know, so little bit less lucky, that is what we are thinking. See 4946, again 865. Okay, hopefully wait this time. 4009, 5000 hit, order is closed. That's it. Now friends, look, Apollo Hospital. Now Apollo Hospital, I will tell you now. Look, 1040, the order is taken at price you do 3601 sell. Now I will show you in my MCL software. Now look, Apollo Hospital, we are going to take Apollo Hospital. As per my MCL software, 3601. See, 3601 is a cell. So this cell I will show you in chart. See, one moment, I open the chart. We are choosing the Apollo Hospital. See, Apollo Hospital 3601. I put a one horizontal line 3601. Now look, this is Apollo Hospital 1041 candle. Look, 3601 exactly triggered. Now look, exact that time market took that sell order. It hit the profit also. So profit, 1 minute I will show you. Now look, Apollo Hospital 1046, it's removed. Just a 6 minute, exactly you see when order is taken, when order is quit, everything is recorded here. So whatever trade happened here, it is purely based on our MCL software. So as per MCL software, if we trade, we must be in profit. This is what here we are giving our result. Okay, so thank you very much. Still one more day also we will try to give a live webinar. So we will update the link. If you want to watch my live webinar about this MCL software strategy in auto trade, just subscribe my Telegram channel, MCL Software 1. That link is below the YouTube. Thank you. Thank you very much.